Truck and Auto, Chris Brannon. Change here tonight in the Cut Rate Auto Parts Stinger 8 division. Chris Brannon came into the night with a 10-point lead over Zach Florick, but Zach Florick at the conclusion of the heat races, he did so well in those heat races. He is actually 4 points ahead of Chris Brannon at this moment. Chris Brannon leading the way, and now he needs, Chris Brannon needs a couple of people to get by Zach Florick. As they go off into the right-hander. This is a 20-lap main event championship race for the Cut Rate Auto Parts Stinger 8s. Charles Lemaire cuts it. He took a shortcut to get up alongside Zach Florick, and now they come through the X, and Lemaire is by Florick. That's exactly what Brandon needed to see. Right now at this pace, I'd say Lemaire's going to get to Brandon as well. Lemaire is driving like a man on a mission here at this moment, as he is now closed up onto the back of Chris Brannon and Zach Florick. He's got Zach Dalrymple and Jason Lohman to hold off. Dalrymple is by Florick. That is exactly what Chris Brannon needed to bring home the championship. He's now got 2 spots in between himself and Florick. But Chris Brannon's going to have his hands full trying to hold off Charles Lemaire. And Florick is sideways, and now Jason Lohman is going to go by Florick. Another position lost. With a strong move out of the X, use a crossover to get back around Lohman. And now they are separated 2 packs of 3s. The front pack, Chris Brannon, Charles Lemaire, and Zach Dalrymple. And then the second group is Zach Florick, Jason Lohman, and Dennis Willander. Again, trouble for Florick as he got, an even bigger trouble now for Florick. Not sure what happened coming through the intersection, but him and Willander got into the side of Florick, and that was hard. And now Florick's got a problem with that car now. Florick is just having trouble holding on now. In trouble for Lemaire. Charles Lemaire's going up in smoke, and he pulls it down into the grass. Charles Lemaire has come to a stop in the grass. Mechanical is out for the 31 of Zach Florick. it's a suspension. Something broke on that 31 of Florek. So now Chris Brandon, your race leader. That should do it for Chris Brandon. Only 8 laps remain in this cut rate auto parts Stinger 8s, and then right on the same lap we saw the problem for Lemaire. Now Dalrymple goes around. Dalrymple gets it pointed back in the right direction, and he is back up underway. And Chris Brandon is just running all by his lonesome. But nothing is ever over in a figure 8 race until you get there to that checkered flag, because the easier you got it up front, that just means that you're going to be meeting the rest of the field at the intersection. And right now, Chris Brandon, with absolutely nobody challenging him for the lead, he can really rest easy and take his time coming through the X. Jason Lohman and Zach Dalrymple doing battle for that second spot as they're side by side through the left-hander. Dalrymple with the advantage on the outside of Lohman. And there's Brandon just timing his cross at the X perfectly. Chris Brandon is having fun. Chris Brandon having some fun at the X. As Chris Brandon, I don't know if there's anybody who has a better time driving a race car than Chris Brandon. I guarantee you, he's got the biggest smile on his face. Oh, Brandon goes around. He's having a little bit too much fun. He's laughing it up, folks. I'm telling you right now. Chris Brandon just about blew it right there going into the right-hander. And there is nobody laughing harder than Chris Brandon at this moment. The only thing we haven't seen from Brandon is he hasn't waved to the crowd yet here tonight. Usually he does that while he's racing as well. Two laps remain. Chris Brandon, Zach Dalrymple, Jason Lohman, and Dennis Melander. Until the end of this race, but the way this is shaken out, Zach Dalrymple may have taken that second spot away in the 2013 season point standings. Dalrymple may have actually caught and surpassed Zach Florek in the overall season standings. But one thing we do know, Chris Brandon is going to be the 2013 season champion in the cut rate auto parts Stinger 8s. He's just got to come through this right-hander. And he's going to see the checkered flag. Your winner in 2013 season champion, Chris Brandon.